yeah, guys, it's DJ Atomic Rocks here, with a video update. Yes, I know it's been a while, but, and the reason this camera angle may look a bit weird is because I'm using my Logitech Brio webcam, and the reason why I'm using that is because I bought a new toy, which I'm going to show you now. So, if you just bear with me, and I'll turn the camera around, and I will show you my new toy. Yeah, is my new toy. Is the Logitech Rally camera, and the reason why I bought this bad boy is because it comes with this remote control, so I can be anywhere in the room and control the camera. Yes, alright, so I will put this camera down, and I will switch to, and I will switch over to that camera. So bear with me for a second, and I'll be back with you. Welcome back. I'm now using my Logitech Rally camera. So yeah, this is what the mimic quality is like. So yeah, yeah so um so I can sit let's say I want to move the camera over to to my to my right. I will just do not do that, and then if I want to come back to me, uh, I can quickly come back to me by setting um, by setting alien profile. So now, So yeah, is what the remote will look like. So you got down to presets. If they got two presets, and they got the zoom in and out, and they got the on off button, and they got the motion mm, um, dial, and this remote runs off a watch battery, so you can change it. So yes, so that's my new toy. So I just thought I would show you guys that. Yeah. So, and I will put up some photos too. Alright, cool, and there are going to be more videos like this one, as well as some, uh, what do you call it? No, tutorial, there may be some tutorial, or and there may be screencasts coming. So, yeah, cool. And I'll put all my links down below. Thanks for watching, and we will see you soon.